In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a WordPress website to another domain name using Hostinger. Whether you're shifting your website to a new brand or simply changing your domain for other business reasons, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and efficient. First things first, let's start by heading over to Hostinger's website. This is where all the magic starts. Once you're there, look for the login option at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to your Hostinger account dashboard, also known as hPanel. Now that you're in the hPanel, it's time to navigate straight to the home section of your dashboard. Here you'll find a myriad of options available to manage your hosting needs. But for us, our focus is on the Hosting tab. Click on Hosting and this is where you'll see all your hosted domains listed. Locate the domain that you want to clone. Beside it, you'll find a Manage button. Clicking Manage will take you into the management interface for that specific domain. This is where you have all the tools to make things happen. Next up, find the website option and click on it. Now this brings us to the next tool we need, the Auto Installer. Once inside, you'll see a list of popular applications you can easily set up with just one click. In this case, we want to choose WordPress. Click on WordPress from the list. This will allow us to create a fresh WordPress installation on your new domain. At this point, you'll need to enter the necessary installation details, such as your new domain name. Make sure to double check these details. You'll also need to create a new WordPress username and password for this new instance. Once you've filled everything out, click on the Install button. The installation process should only take a couple of minutes. Once completed, you now have a fresh WordPress setup, ready to import your data. The next step is to bring over your existing website's content to this new domain. For this, you will typically use a WordPress migration plugin or the export-import features available within your WordPress dashboard. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully cloned your WordPress website to another domain using Hostinger. It's a straightforward process that makes managing multiple domains a breeze. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such content.